Since its introduction in the US market in 1958, the Land Cruiser evolved over the years from the legendary two-door models to the capable yet fully loaded 200 series, which was the last generation to be sold in the States and combined Land Cruiser's unbreakable strength with premium luxury features. Now, Land Cruiser stays true to its heritage, returning as a high-quality off-roader at a more accessible price point that will take a wider range of customers on numerous backcountry adventures across the globe. Built on the TNGA-F global truck platform, the new Land Cruiser is designed, engineered, and tested to survive in the harshest of environments. This new ladder frame allows for more rigidity in the chassis compared to the 200 series model thanks to the use of high-strength steel with blanking and laser welds. Compared to the outgoing 200 series, the new Land Cruiser is 4.4 inches narrower and 1.2 inches shorter for more off-road prowess. The design team used 4 key terms to lead the development: authentic, reliable, timeless, and professional. The all-new Land Cruiser is derived from a pure expression of form aligning with function. For the signature Land Cruiser look, the 1958 grade features the iconic round LED headlights and Toyota Heritage grille, while Land Cruiser grades upgrade to slim, rectangular headlights. A squared body profile resembles that of Land Cruisers of old, and the A-pillar is pushed back not only to complement the look, but for better outward visibility on the trails. The front overhang is also decreased for greater approach. The Land Cruiser 1958 grade comes standard from the factory with fog lamps that will aid in overall visibility. The Land Cruiser grade gets upgraded color-selectable rigid fog lamps. A newly developed double wishbone front suspension with twin-tube shocks is paired with a multi-link rear suspension with coil springs. To provide improved steering feel and facilitate the incorporation of additional safety and convenience features, Land Cruiser will feature electric power steering, and all models feature 17-inch disc brakes front and rear. With a trailer hitch standard on all grades, Land Cruisers can tow up to 6,000 pounds. The Land Cruiser grade has heated and ventilated S-of-Tex trim seats available in either black or Java and includes a 12.3-inch multimedia monitor and an available 14-speaker JBL premium sound system. Land Cruiser 1958 models feature black fabric seats and an 8.0-inch touchscreen displaying Toyota's latest audio multimedia system. Land Cruiser grade is also available with 4G connectivity for up to 5 devices that can turn the vehicle into an AT&T hotspot. A standard Qi wireless charging pad has enhanced power output, and dual USB-C charging ports are included in the front row and available for the rear passengers. There are also enhanced functional features while driving on rough trails, including a palm rest for using the center touch screen and side knee pads. Land Cruiser's new iForce Max hybrid powertrain comes standard on all grades and pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor integrated into an 8-speed transmission feeding off a 1.87 kWh battery pack that creates a total system output of 326 horsepower and 465 pound-foot of torque. All Land Cruisers are equipped with a full-time 4-wheel drive system with a center-locking differential and an electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case with high-low range. The system also features vehicle stability control and an automatic limited slip differential. An electronic locking rear differential is standard on all Land Cruisers and can help split power 50-50 to the rear wheels for improved traction control on rough terrain. An all-new front stabilizer bar disconnect is standard on Land Cruiser and First Edition grades and increases flex at the push of a button. Overall, Land Cruiser has an approach angle up to 31 degrees and max departure to 22 degrees while breakover angle reaches 25 degrees. Ground clearance is up to 8.7 inches multi-terrain select, which is now functional in both 4-wheel drive, high and 4-wheel drive. Low is standard on the Land Cruiser grade and offers adjustable settings to help control wheel spin on a variety of terrain such as mud, dirt, and sand. The crawl control function is standard and ACTS as a low-speed, off-road cruise control, allowing the driver to focus on steering while the system maintains one of 5 selectable speeds. The 2024 Land Cruiser will be built in Toyota Motor Corporation's Tahara and Hino plants in Japan and arrive in the US in the spring of 2024. Manufacturers' suggested retail pricing will start in the mid-$50,000 range and be announced closer to its on-sale date.